Today we'll talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Now all you have to do now, you just click here on Vizio account, just click on it here, then come to next step here. So then all you have to do next, just come here to sign out, you just click here on sign out here, then automatically it's going to take you out here of your account on your Vizio app. So that's all you have to do to sign out of your account. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.